Hello everyone and welcome back to another Schlib on Switch unboxing video. I know this game came out a while ago, but I only got it today, which is the Valkyria Chronicles 4 Collector Edition. Amazon had it on sale for $35, so I said, alright, time to pick it up. So let's open this up and see what's inside. So, unfortunately, the outer wrapping is a little messed up, but hopefully the actual box is fine. So we have the front of it, the side, and the back of the case. Alright, let's open this up. So, here's the outer sleeve, which apparently that's the only part of it that is damaged, luckily. Here's the actual box, once you take off the sleeve. A lot nicer. I didn't realize that it came with a inner box until like today or yesterday. The side of that, bottom doesn't really have much to it. And the other side. Alright, so let's open this up and see what comes inside. For some reason, these type of boxes always give me a hard time to open them. Alright. No. Where are we with this? Sorry. Alright. So here we go. So first up we have the actual game, which conveniently is not sealed. Just a little plastic wrap. Let's open it up. You have the front of the case and the back of the case. Very beautiful. Nothing on the inside. Cartridge. Japanese voice pack, which is not a code. And the Joy-Con skin for the Ragnarok. And for the Joy-Con grip. And keep these in here. And we have the a code for the extra side missions. This one actually has a code, so I'm not going to show that on the camera. Gonna keep that in the actual game case. Then we have a replica tank, which is the signature tank from the game. Nice little display piece. The tank is the Hafen tank. Alright. Then we have the journal, which conveniently is nice and damaged. And it's the journal art book. It's a nice piece if it wasn't damaged like that. Is that it? Yep, that's it. So, let's put this box back up. Alright, so there we have it. That is the Valkyria Chronicles 4 Collector Edition for the Nintendo Switch. Nice little set. Glad I managed to get it for quite cheap. and even if it is damaged. And thank you so much for watching. As always, if you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, share, etc. And have a great day. Thank you. Bye.